Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, your chef here again with another recipe. Today's recipe is a very easy recipe. Alright, and you can make within 2-3 minutes. Rice with prawn and tuna. Before I start, I will tell you my ingredients. What I'm gonna use is very few ingredients anyway in there. And if you miss anything, so you can go back and follow my video. Okay guys, I'm going to start now. Okay guys, I got some rice. This is leftover rice from yesterday. So if you want to make it cook, you can cook a fresh rice. And or if you want to cheat it quickly, you can use a packet one as well, which comes already ready cooked. So but I'm using this from yesterday. But if anything you got leftover rice, you can make this with that. And I got some prawns, and I got tuna chunk here. I got black pepper, I got green chili here, and I got salt, cumin powder, and I got mixed herbs there, and I got some butter which I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna use some oil in there as well with butter. Okay guys, I will start now. Okay guys, I'm gonna put my hob on. Right, first I'm gonna put some butter in. I'm using just a little bit olive oil. Okay guys, first I'm gonna put some tuna in there. We're gonna put about bit less than 1 spoon of salt, black pepper, about 1.5 spoon black pepper, cumin seed 1 spoon, mixed herbs 1/2 spoon, and chili paste about 1.5 spoon. Okay, now I'm gonna put some prawns in there. Just leave it to cook about a few seconds. And this is a quick dish. And it's very delicious as well. But if you're using a ready-made cooked rice, so just put it straight away from packet. Don't warm this up. Just put it straight open packet straight in there. Okay guys, now I'm gonna put rice in there. just mix this together. And just leave it for a minute. Okay guys, it's ready, and I'm just gonna put additional add in there. This is coriander. Okay guys, this is your dish is ready now. I'm gonna take it out in a dish, and then you tell me what you think about it. Okay guys, this is my dish ready. This is rice with the prawn and tuna. So what do you think about it? Believe me, smell is nice. It's very delicious. Very few ingredients being in there. You should try to make this. It's very quick. It will probably take about 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Well, let me know what you think about it in the comment section. And if you want to any questions about this, please let me know. Thank you. So friend, I hope you like this recipe, and you will get this different recipe every week. And if you like it, please subscribe my channel, and please press the bell button. And if you got any questions, please ask me any questions, so I will be happy to answer you. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. And if you have any question, just type the question in comment, so I will be happy to give you answer. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Here is this ingredient for this recipe. Thank you.